Have you ever thought about starting your own YouTube channel? It's a question that may have crossed your mind at one point or another. And why not? There are countless reasons why people decide to dive into the world of YouTube. For some, it's an avenue to share their passion, be it cooking, travel, gaming, or any hobby under the sun. Others use it as a platform to teach, imparting knowledge and skills to viewers all around the globe. YouTube can also be a place to build a community, a virtual gathering spot where like-minded individuals can connect and converse. Businesses too find value in YouTube, using it as a tool to promote their products or services to a wide audience. And let's not forget, for many, YouTube has become a significant source of income, turning passion projects into profitable ventures. Now that we know why people start YouTube channels, let's move on to how you can start yours. Starting a YouTube channel can seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple. The first step, as with many things, is to start at the beginning. In this case, that means creating your channel. You'll need a Google account to get started, but once you're logged in, you'll find the Create a Channel option under your account settings. Now, the fun part begins. Choosing a channel name. This is no small task, as your channel name is a reflection of your content. And ideally, it should be easy to remember. Whether it's a clever play on words, a succinct description of your content, or simply your name, make sure it's something that resonates with you and your future audience. Once you've got your name locked in, it's time to start customizing your channel layout. This is your opportunity to make your channel uniquely yours. You can choose which sections to display on your channel's homepage and in what order they appear. Remember, it's all about creating a user-friendly experience for your viewers. Next up is channel art. This includes your channel icon and banner image. These visuals are crucial, as they're the first things viewers see when they visit your channel. Consider them as your channel's storefront window, enticing viewers to come in and browse your content. Last, but certainly not least, is your channel description. This is your chance to tell viewers what your channel is all about. Be clear, be concise, and be compelling. And don't forget to add any relevant links to your social media profiles or website. Remember, all these elements, your channel name, layout, art, and description, they're all pieces of the puzzle that is your brand. And a strong, cohesive brand can be a powerful tool in attracting and retaining viewers. With your channel set up, it's time to start creating content. Creating your first video is a big step, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. This journey begins with brainstorming video ideas. You might be tempted to just turn on the camera and start talking, but having a plan in place can make all the difference. Think about what interests you, what you're passionate about, or what you're good at. Your video content should resonate with these elements to make it engaging and authentic. Once you have an idea, you'll want to start planning your content. This includes writing a script or an outline, deciding on the location for filming, and preparing any props or equipment you may need. Remember, your plan doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a guide to help you stay focused and organized. Now let's talk about filming. When you're filming your first video, it might feel a bit awkward or intimidating, but that's completely normal. Just be yourself and try to relax. The more comfortable you are in front of the camera, the more natural your video will feel to your viewers. And don't worry if you make mistakes, that's what editing is for. Speaking of editing, this is where you can really make your video shine. You'll want to cut out any mistakes, add music or sound effects, and maybe even some graphics or text. But remember, less is often more. You don't want to overwhelm your viewers with too many effects or too much information at once. The focus should always be on the content and your message. Quality content is key, but authenticity is just as important. People are drawn to genuine personalities and honest stories. So, be true to yourself and your audience will appreciate it. And there you have it. You've brainstormed, planned, filmed, and edited your first video. It's a labor of love, but the payoff can be immense. Now that you have your first video, it's time to upload it and share it with the world. Scene script. Uploading your video is just the beginning. Optimizing it is key to reaching your audience. Let's start with the uploading process. After you've logged into your YouTube account, you'll see a little camera icon with a plus sign at the top of the page. Click on that, then select Upload Video. Choose the video file you want to share with the world. And while it's uploading, let's move on to the critical steps of optimization. First up, your video's title. This isn't just a label, it's your first impression. Make it catchy, compelling, and clear. Use keywords that your audience is likely to search for, but remember to keep it natural and engaging. No one clicks on a title that feels like a robotic list of search terms. Next, the description. This is your opportunity to provide more detailed information about your video. Include keywords here too, but also think about answering questions your viewers might have. What's in the video? Why should they watch it? And don't forget to add any relevant links or resources. Now let's talk about tags. These are additional keywords that can help YouTube understand what your video is about. The more accurately YouTube can categorize your video, the better it can match it with viewers who are interested in your content. So, think carefully about your tags and choose them wisely. The final step in the uploading process is selecting your thumbnail. This is the image viewers will see when they come across your video in search results or suggestions. An attractive, relevant thumbnail can significantly increase the number of people who click on your video. Remember, all these elements, the title, description, tags, and thumbnail, play a crucial role in search engine optimization or SEO. They help search engines understand your content and make it discoverable to the right audience. With your video uploaded and optimized, it's time to promote it and engage with your audience. Promoting your video and engaging with your audience is crucial for the growth of your channel. Let's talk about promotion first. There's a whole world beyond YouTube where your potential viewers are waiting. A great way to reach them is by sharing your videos on different social media platforms. This could be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even LinkedIn, depending on the nature of your content. You can also embed your videos in a blog post or a website. By doing so, you're not only promoting your content, but also providing a richer experience for your website visitors. Now, let's move on to engagement. This is about fostering a relationship with your audience. One way to do this is by interacting with them through comments. Respond to their thoughts, answer their questions, and appreciate their feedback. This not only makes your viewers feel valued, but also gives you insight into what they like and don't like about your content. Another way to engage is by encouraging likes and shares. Likes are a simple way for viewers to express their appreciation for your content. Shares, on the other hand, are a powerful tool that can significantly increase your reach. Encourage your viewers to share your content with their friends and followers. Consistency is key in both promotion and engagement. The more regularly you upload, the more you become a part of your viewers' routine. This helps in building a loyal audience. But remember, consistency is not just about uploading. It's also about responding to viewer feedback. Whether it's a compliment, a constructive criticism, or a suggestion, every piece of feedback is an opportunity to improve and grow. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, effort, and a lot of learning along the way. You may face challenges and setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Keep creating, keep sharing, and keep engaging. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with patience and persistence, you can achieve your goals. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We kicked off by discussing the reasons to start a YouTube channel, the power of expressing yourself, sharing your passions, and perhaps even making a living from it. Then we dove into the nuts and bolts of setting up your channel, emphasizing the importance of a catchy name and a compelling channel description. Next, we tackled the creation of your first video. We stressed that content is king and shared tips on how to make your video more engaging. From there, we moved on to uploading and optimizing your videos, underscoring the necessity of eye-catching titles, detailed descriptions, and effective use of tags. Finally, we explored the art of promoting your video and engaging your audience. We highlighted the value of social media promotion, responding to comments, and building a loyal community. With these steps, you're well on your way to starting your own YouTube channel. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Happy YouTubing. Before we wrap up this video, we have one more important thing to discuss. We've shared a lot of valuable tips today, but none of that matters if you don't have an audience to share it with. This brings us to our next point, a call to action. In this context, a call to action is where you, as a creator, encourage your viewers to engage with your content. It could be asking them to like the video, share it, or leave a comment. But the most important call to action on YouTube is the subscription request. So, here's ours. If you found this video helpful and you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel, Tech and Fun Videos. Not only will you get access to a wealth of informative and entertaining videos, but you'll also be supporting us in creating more content for you. Click that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Your support means a lot to us, and it's what keeps this channel going. So go ahead, subscribe and join our community of tech enthusiasts and fun seekers. Remember, every click counts, and yours could be the one that helps us reach our next milestone. Thank you for your support and happy YouTubing.